So something that I've been thinking about is vibe coding and how common that uh, phrase is used. But what I found more and more is it's really not the vibe coding that you need to get really good at. The vibe coding is the agent writing code for you. What you should really be doing is vibe spec'ing. So the AI agent does much better with a clear specification. I mean, you've seen like planning mode, spec driven development, etc. It seems to be all the rage now. Well, yeah, because the agents are getting so good, but it still relies on a specification that's clear. Things can be inferred, etc. But I think where you really need to concentrate is on the spec. And I actually just had this experience a couple days ago. I spent a whole day just vibe specking. Um, and then I asked the AI, hey, given the specification that I've built, uh, could you implement this? If and tell me how close the specification is to being fully implementable by an AI agent. And it went through my specification and said, hey, you're about 70% of the way there. And it suggested a bunch of things like, oh, they were very good suggestions. And so I had it add it to the specification in a section called implementation details. And it did it. And then I just unleashed it in VS Code to go and implement the entire solution. So there's a couple benefits to this. One, I effectively know what I'm getting from the very beginning. It's not going to be perfect depending on how complicated your project is. Okay, so only a Sith deals in absolutes. But that being said, what I ended up with was a running, pretty much spec complete solution. And from the very beginning, my specification is stored in source control. So I added an additional instruction inside the specification and in my case, Copilot, the Copilot instructions, that anytime an architectural change is made or a feature is added, a specification addendum file needs to be updated. And it's following that religiously. So every time I fix something in the application or I tweak a feature, etc., I'm basically getting an architectural decision log for free through the AI because I've prompted so much in the Copilot instructions file. Anyway, I hope that helped you in your AI adventures. Vibe specking is better than vibe coding. Vibe coding is great, but get good at vibe specking. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, and see you next time.